So the neighbor put down these pavers, and he didn't have anything to do these end things, so I'm showing him how to cut a brick. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put the brick right where I want it to go. I'm not saying that this is a great job. This is just for somebody who wants to cut a brick. So I put that there, and this is just past the corner, so somewhere up here. So we're going to connect those two and put it in the hole. We're going to mount this to a board and cut it. We're going to use this. Now that's in the way, I'm going to have to adjust. Okay, so that's hanging out over the side. We got this giant thing from Amazon, right? We get it from Amazon?
Yep.
How much was it?
$160.
$160 for this thing. It's got a water thing on it. Comes from a bucket. See, he's gonna have to do a lot more, but I'm just showing him how. I'm giving him the tools of knowledge. Don't forget to turn your pump on. Okay. So that was almost good. I was trying to get 2 pieces out of it, but it cracked on this little corner. So it is the bottom. Nobody's gonna notice. So we're gonna try and get 2 pieces out of this one. Come on. This is what normal tile people wear. Stone people wear. Okay, we got one in. Oh, the second one could fit. It could happen. It's a little big. It's tempting. I could adjust. Look, there's extra room right here. Here we go. Look at that. We're getting there.